The universe is vast and full of mysteries. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of what is out there. One of the most intriguing puzzles in recent times is the phenomenon of fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Imagine a burst of energy so intense that it outshines our sun 1,000-fold, yet vanishes in a fraction of a second. These are FRBs, and they are one of the most exciting areas of study in modern astronomy. The sheer power of FRBs is mind-boggling. They release an unimaginable amount of energy in the blink of an eye. Where does this energy come from? What could possibly generate such powerful bursts? These are just some of the questions that keep astronomers up at night. The mystery of FRBs is deepened by the fact that we don't fully understand what they are or where they come from. They appear to originate billions of light-years away, from galaxies far beyond our own. Each burst is like a faint whisper from the distant cosmos, carrying with it clues about the universe's most extreme environments. The study of FRBs is still in its infancy, but it has already yielded some tantalizing clues. As we develop more powerful telescopes and refine our observational techniques, we're getting closer to understanding these enigmatic signals and the objects that produce them. The answers, like the bursts themselves, are out there, waiting to be discovered. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, were first discovered in 2007, but their existence wasn't confirmed until much later. These bursts are incredibly short, lasting only a few milliseconds. This makes them very difficult to detect and even harder to study. FRBs are essentially brief pulses of radio waves that originate from distant galaxies. They are incredibly bright, often outshining entire galaxies for the brief time that they are detectable. Despite their fleeting nature, FRBs are incredibly energetic. The amount of energy released in a single millisecond-long burst is equivalent to what our sun emits over hundreds of thousands of years. This incredible energy output suggests that FRBs are the result of some of the most powerful and cataclysmic events in the universe. Initially, there was a lot of skepticism surrounding the discovery of FRBs. Some astronomers believed that the signals were simply due to instrument errors or interference from Earth-based sources. However, as more and more FRBs were detected by different telescopes around the world, it became clear that these were real astronomical phenomena. The confirmation of FRBs as a genuine astrophysical phenomenon opened up a whole new field of research. Astronomers are now eager to understand what causes these powerful bursts, where they originate from, and what they can tell us about the universe we live in. The initial discovery of FRBs was met with a great deal of skepticism. After all, the signals were so short and so bright that it seemed almost impossible to believe they were real. Many astronomers suspected that the signals were simply due to instrument errors or interference from Earth-based sources. One of the key pieces of evidence that helped to confirm the existence of FRBs was the fact that they were being detected by multiple telescopes around the world. If the signals were simply due to instrument errors, then it would be highly unlikely for different telescopes to pick up the same signals. Another important piece of evidence came from the study of the dispersion measure of FRBs. Dispersion measure is a way of measuring how much a radio signal has been stretched out as it travels through space. The dispersion measure of FRBs was found to be much higher than would be expected for a signal originating from within our own galaxy. This suggested that FRBs were indeed coming from distant galaxies, billions of light-years away. As more and more FRBs were detected and studied, it became increasingly clear that these were real astronomical phenomena. The skepticism that initially surrounded the discovery of FRBs gradually gave way to excitement as astronomers realized the potential of these mysterious signals to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Section 4. Unlocking the Secrets Origins of FRBs. As we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of fast radio bursts, we find ourselves on the brink of groundbreaking discoveries. The potential to understand more about the universe is immense, from pinpointing the exact sources of these bursts to possibly uncovering new physics. The future is indeed bright for FRB research. Our journey is just beginning, and who knows what incredible findings await us in the vast expanse of space.